my name is Sofia Lyfar, an infinity dancer. I'm from Ukraine, and it is the fourth lesson of my new project Bellydance from Zero to Infinity. And today we'll learn movement hip circle. Let's start from warming up. Let's go!
معدي سمعك بتقول للدنيا ده مفيش مدلع قدي في الدنيا كتير بس انت احلى الحلوين يا واد انت في الدنيا كتير بس انت احلى الحلوين يا واد انت وحداني وقمر الحته في الدنيا مفيش كلمه انت الو يا منجا يا منجا Esta
different hip circle, but we have two types of hip circle. First, big circle, and the second is half a big circle. It is called small circle. Now I will show you big circle. And also another side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now small circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. First we are going to learn big circle. Let's start from left side and we'll make a circle to the right. So I am pushing my hips first forward, then to right side, and then I'm making it back. And we are again in left side. Let's make it again. It's very easy to understand, so you can make it. Let's make it with upper body. Our upper body is following our hips a little. First, let's make it slowly. Push forward, push to the right, then back, and then again we are left side. And another leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great! Don't forget to make your belly button and your lower back in. It's very important. Also, we have different variations of this movement. First is when our upper body is following a little bit our hips. And now the second when our upper body is isolated. Let's make it. 1, 2. Only hips are working. Forward, side, back. Forward, side, back. And another side. Forward, side, back. Forward, side, back. And also we have a variation when our upper body is making a big movements, a big following movements of our hips. When our head and our hair is going down. Let's make it. Forward, side, and we are going down. And again up. One more. Forward, side, down, up. If you want to make it more down and to not make your back really up, you need to make little bending with your knees. So when I'm making to the right side, first I'm bending my right knee, then when I'm back I'm stretching my knees, and then when I'm going to the left, I'm bending my left knee. It's more easy way and it looks more interesting and more beautiful. So 1, 2, 3, and again 1, 2, 3. And now about arm position. We can make it here, like I'm making. So 1, 2, 3. First is horizontal position, and second we are making moves down. So 1 and down, and again 1 and down. Okay, great. Let's go to the small circle. Let me explain you the difference between big circle and small circle. When we are making big circle, our legs are under our shoulders, so horizontal position, not close, horizontal. But when we are making small circle, our legs are in close position together. But the same thing is pretend that we are drawing a circle, but with different amplitude. When we are making a big circle, we are drawing a circle with big amplitude. When we are making a small circle, we are drawing a circle with small amplitude. Very easy and understandable. The small circle we are making with same principle, but with another leg position and another amplitude. So leg position is close, my legs are together. And now to make a small circle, small hip circle, I need to push first my hips forward, then push it to right side, and I was starting from left, and then we are pushing it back, and again in left side. Let's make it again slowly. So from left I'm moving forward, then to the right, then back, and then again in left side. Let's make it to another side. 1. My knees are in close position, so they are together, and we are not making like this. Not that's false. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can see that when I'm making forward, I'm pushing it not too much, but when I'm making it back, I'm making push more. It's to make it more slowly, to make it more like ballet style, you can make it like this. So forward not too much, but when you're making back, we're making like slow. It's slow, slow, slow. Okay, great. And we have also different variations. We can little follow our hips with our upper body. And to another side, 1, 2, 3, 4. We can make it isolated like this, but it will be same like only. We are not learning it yet, but we will learn it. So follow us and watch my videos to know more. It's isolated, and also we have a variation when my head and my hair going down, and I'm following with my upper body more than in first variation. Let's make it. 1, 2. I'm making a plie here when I'm down. Again. 1, 2. 1, 2. So, like you see, in our small circles we are making little plie. That's normal. But when I'm making a big circle, more of the times we have stretch knees. Okay, and also one more thing with small circle, it's very interesting and it's very useful. We can move with our small circle. How to make it? We can make step, step, step together. First we are making step to the right side, and then we are making our left leg near to the right. Let's make it. But our hip movements are the same. So 1, back. When I'm making back, I'm moving my left leg near the right, and another left. 1, 2. Left and right, near left and right, and left and right. And about my arms, you can make it, if it's ballet, you can make it very like sweet girl, very cute. 1, 2, 3, 4, but also we can make it in different positions, like 1, 2, or wave, or up, down, or near upper body, how you like. I was so happy to see you again, and I hope that you liked it, and see you on the next lesson. It will be something new and something very useful. Bye!